There's a feeling you get when you walk into a school. You know, it's one thing to see it on paper. MSA has the internationally acclaimed Alberta Curriculum and a variety of extracurricular activities. Its graduates are well prepared for university, the working world, and life in general. MSA has hands-on learning, fosters community, and nurtures the whole child. MSA's creative learning environments are inspired by the Reggio Emilia approach and foster engagement through Kagan Cooperative Learning. MSA's teachers are highly qualified. Many of them are former students, and the school feels like a big family. You can read all of that and still not understand the feeling of finding the right school until you walk through those doors and discover the MSA difference for yourself. We are excited to welcome our MSA family back for another year of learning, exploration, friendship, and fellowship. Belonging, support, learning, family. That's MSA.